foot forward, eyes on the prize. Action meets purpose, plans realized. No rush in my heartbeat, I'm taking my time.